This is the box project, CMR 495 class.
I want my mom to make me a box.
Why do you want mommy to make you a box?
Or I can put stuff in it.
Like what?
Keepsakes!
Is that a baby blanket? Do you like the baby blanket? You want to make a keepsake box to put keepsakes in?
I don't know yet, but I will put something in it at some point.
So maybe like a crafty box
Uh-huh.
plus
Basically
a
that.
keepsake treasure box with all your stuff that you make all the time.
Okay, I might be able to put this in my box. I made this, and I think it's actually really nice. And it holds all sorts of stuff. And as you can see, there's little sections to put stuff in. Markers.
So you're gonna put that that creative little box, and maybe inside that box you have your keepsake box, crafty box.
I think I'm just gonna put my creations in the.
Okay. Alrighty. I'm gonna use to make my box for my daughter. And then I have this pretty wood here that my nephew had at his house. And then of course there's wood scraps everywhere in the shop. All kinds of tools. Okay, there's a fish. So we're gonna start trying to make my box here. So the video for this section here has disappeared. I don't know why, but I've taken these two pieces of wood and glued them together and let them dry, and then I have cut them into my checkered boards that you will see in the next couple of slides. And I have this pretty wood here that my nephew had at his house. Okay, so I cheated. I went back and used the belt sander to sand these pieces down so that they will fit together. This is going to be it. I gotta glue it together though. Oh, they got not glued together again. I gotta glue them together. And then I gotta put we've got some sawdust. And I will put that in on the surface to help fill in any missing cracks or little bitty gaps. So we'll see what happens. So I put glue down, I already put these together. Make sure that they're lined up. I'm going to sand them again, but I want to make sure they're as lined up as possible. Okay, it's glued. I have those braces on them. Now I'm going to put some sawdust on it. I'm going to spread that around on the top so it can get down in the glue. You can see the cracks here. And that's what the sand. So there's no sawdust is for, is to fill in those loose cracks. Now I'm just taking it and pushing the sawdust down into the cracks. That way there's no open air holes. This is going to be the size of my box. Might be a little bigger. I'm going to put some trim on it. This will help seal the wood. And then we'll put some stain on it. And then we're going to put sawdust on the back side because you can see there's cracks here and there before it dries. All clamped up. It's glued. Now the next step is to wait till the glue dries, unclamp it, sand it down. I'm going to have to buy some sandpaper for a hand tool to get it nice and pretty. And then that board is going to go on this, so this will be the backing. I might spray paint it maybe. I could probably do that now. And then I have these trim pieces that will go on the side. That'll be pretty. I'm going to try to cut that hole off. So it should be be the depth of this one and that one together. Those two pieces and these two pieces. This is my board taken, sanded it down. And again, I cut one too short, so now I gotta fix it. I cut them in half. Take that, put it in there. A lot of gaps. Let's see if I can fix that. And then I sanded this down after I painted it. Yeah, we'll have to see. This is gonna be the top of the box. I know, it's been a long work in progress, but now put the paste wax on, it'll help seal the wood. And the top is pretty much shinier. Uh-oh, I'll fall backwards. So, just got my hinge hook. Right, so Madison, there's your box.
This is my box.
Okay. So I did not attach the lid.
Take it off, and you can put chest on it, which is really
Okay, so you want to show Mommy your box?
Sure.
Because Mom would burned a whole bunch of stuff into it, so it's got Madison on it.
Yep. As you can see. And then there's this cute little kitty, which is adorable. And then another cute little kitty, Evie, which I love. And then a wolf.
A wolf.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are you going to put in that box?
Like,
What about your baby blanket? Wow, just wad it up and shove it in there. Oh, yep, Mom made that in class, didn't I?
yep, I love it.
Test tubes.
They're really cute.
And then
The lid
the lid.
doesn't show all the way, but it's fine.
Oh, it shuts all the way, fine. So do you like your new box?
Yeah, it's really convenient. And next semester, can you make me some chess?
You really?
Really? I want to play chess.
We'll see about chess pieces, okay?
You can make any chess
Okay.
pieces. Or the rounds.
So do you like your box?
Or
Oh.
checkers.
Yep, checker pieces. You can use anything for checker pieces, just same colored pieces. So you like the box?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know how long Mommy spent making that thing?
Like,
A lot of time spent.
and if you don't want it on checkers, that's normal.
Could be.